Over the next few minutes, you're going to learn how our company, United Credit Education Services, for the last 16 years has been helping Americans improve their financial future and helping professionals like you close more business. What do people in real estate, banking, the solar industry, the mortgage industry, and the automobile industry all have in common? They need qualified buyers in order to do business. The challenge is that 43 million Americans have a credit score of 599 or less, which means that 43 million Americans certainly can't qualify to buy a home. This is costing you business. The question is what are you doing to help these people and to help yourself? United Credit Education Services, or what we call UCES for short, is committed to helping individuals and helping families build, organize, and protect their financial future. We've been turning credit challenge prospects into qualified buyers for professionals like you since 2004. We're certified by the National Association of Credit Services Organizations, and we have agents serving clients in all 50 states and U.S. territories. First of all, what is credit repair? It's the removal of obsolete, erroneous, and unverifiable derogatory items from consumer credit reports. Now, there are hundreds of credit repair companies, but how is UCES different? Well, first off, we have one award-winning protection plan for our clients that contain 12 life-changing products. Credit restoration, or what people like to call credit repair, is one of those products. And by leveraging the Federal Fair Credit Reporting Act, UCES challenges all derogatory items immediately. And that's one way that we're different, because a lot of companies don't challenge those items immediately. They, in effect, drag out the process for their client, taking more time. Our goal is to provide your client with the fastest results allowed by law, helping them increase their credit score as quickly as possible. What types of items can potentially be removed? Late payments, charge-offs, collections, repossessions, bankruptcies, foreclosure, short sales, judgments, tax liens, student loans, public records, closed accounts, medical bills, and damage from identity theft. And we can get results as quickly as 45 days. What we do is transparent to the client, and the client is involved. We have an online portal that clients get so that they can get in and interact with their services, monitor their services, monitor the progress of their credit restoration. And we actually have a phone app as well that the client can download for free and have all of their services and have this access and this transparency right on their phone. And you, as a referral partner, also get a portal where you can check on your client's progress 24/7. Now, credit repair, or the removal of negative items, affects payment history. Payment history is 35% of an overall credit score. Now, that's the only service that typically other companies have. What about the other 65% of a credit score? In addition to credit restoration, we have services to help that other 65% of a credit score. We have Credit Builder that's going to make recommendations to the client as to some of the things that they can do to increase their credit score while we are removing negative items from their credit report. Credit Builder is not only going to help your client understand what they could do now to help increase their credit score, but it's going to educate them so that they can keep their credit score as high as possible well into their future. We have credit attorneys standing by that are going to help your client in the event that the credit bureaus don't remove the negative items that they should by law. We give our clients online credit monitoring so that they can see their credit score from all three credit bureaus and have accurate reporting available to them 24/7. We give our clients an online debt payoff system. This helps them understand how they can pay down their debt, reducing their debt utilization, which is going to help increase their credit score. We give our clients identity monitoring as well. This is very important as your client's trying to get in a position to qualify to do business with you. And we have other services as well that is going to help improve the client's overall financial situation. No other company provides the same level of results for your client and a dedicated agent to work directly with you and your clients. We charge a one-time setup fee of $188 and just $89 a month. This gives the client access to all 12 products we have in our protection plan. We also have additional services as needed. As you know, some people are renters. Well, we can take their on-time rental payment history for a home, apartment, or condo and put it on their TransUnion credit report, soon to be Equifax as well, showing another positive trade line. This is going to help increase their credit score, and we call this service Credit My Rent. We also have a secured credit card program that reports to all three credit bureaus, helping clients increase their credit score as well. Here's what just a couple of our customers say. Dana Sims out of Fauquier, New Jersey. I started on the UCES protection plan in December of 2016, and in just 4 months, my score increased over 45 points. Today, it's back up over 200 points. The UCES protection plan services has allowed me to leverage my credit again, gave me back my purchasing power, and helped my family and I move into a new home. Marlon Hester Sr. in Chicago, Illinois. I was with another company for 2 years who attempted to help me increase my credit score. I only ended up increasing my debt with them. I took advantage of the protection plan and my score went up 269 points in the first 4 months. So if you're a professional in the real estate, mortgage, solar, banking, or auto industry, or perhaps in another industry that needs qualified buyers, and you like what we do to help clients and help clients get in a position to close business with you, how can we work together? Well, first of all, you can refer your credit challenge client to the UCES agent that shared this video with you. You can do that via text, email, or phone, or you can do it through the online portal that our agent will provide for you. Our agent will contact your client the same day, usually within the same hour, and they'll notify you of the results of that call, and you can monitor the progress of your client in your own online portal. Now, here's another option. You can become an independent UCES agent and sell the protection plan directly to your client. The UCES agent that shared this video with you will provide you with the details of how you can become an independent UCES agent. Let them know you want to talk about becoming a referral partner or you want to find out more about becoming a UCES independent agent. Either way, we look forward to working with you and we look forward to helping your credit challenge clients become qualified buyers.